Okay, what we're going to do today is add the XML files for code style and commenting to the Eclipse application that you'll be using in this class. So how do we do that? So what you'll do is if you're on Windows, you'll probably go to Windows, and under Windows there's going to be a preferences link. In Mac, the preferences link is under Eclipse link over here at the side. So when I go to preferences, I select that. And what that's going to do is you'll go find the Java in the left pane and open it. And when you open it, you'll see code style as one of your options. Select code style, open that, and then code templates. One of them is commenting. So select that, and then you can import. So when you import, there is a code standards on D2L that you'll download as a zip file. Unzip that file. There are two files in it, commentingtemplate.xml and codingstandards.xml. Well, for this one, you will select a commenting template. Open that, and it doesn't show too much other than it did import. And if you select on files, then you'll see down here at the bottom where it did import the styles that was in there. There's Joe Programmer. So now what you can do is go in and edit that and actually add your name to it to prevent having to go through every time and add that information to your source code. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, and I'm going to leave, I'm going to change it to 1010A01. That $, curly brace date, curly brace will put the current date in there, and so you leave everything else like it is. So from now on, you should not have to change this part of your file header at all. All right, so click OK, and you'll see it change that down here at the bottom. If you want to look at some of the other things, you can, but it's not relevant at this point. There's a methods. There's where you'll put in your description. It puts in automatically the date and the return types and so forth. All right, and then you'll have things like fields, types, and so forth. So under types, if you wanted to go ahead and edit that and put in your name there for Arthur. Okay. Enter purpose, just leave that because you don't know the purpose. You'll have to change that with every one. Okay, select OK. And now you can apply that. Then go over to the left swim lane over here again. Select formatter. And in here, this is what your code will look like. So there is, what that does is format the code, whether you have the curly brace open to the left or at the end of the function, and so forth. So here I'm going to go ahead and do the import again. This time I'm going to get coding standards, open it. Now it's going to complain on me because I've already got mine in there, but so you'll just simply bypass this screen. But I'm going to say go ahead and overwrite the profile. I'll select OK, and then it should show you an example of that profile. Okay, then go ahead and apply that. And you can apply and close now if you like. So what did that do? From now on, what you do when you build a new project, then you'll do a file, new Java project. And I'm just going to make up, let's say, coding standards, something like that. And then just say OK or finish. I can, don't create this. You can. It's not going to hurt anything. It's just not going to be helpful. So don't create it. Now there's my coding standards. In my source file, I'm going to right click, give me a new class, and then there I'm going to give a new class of coding example. Okay, make sure and select public static void main for my entry point of all Java applications. We haven't used a package yet. We'll start that next time. Make sure generate comments is selected here at the bottom, and select finish. And you'll find out what it does is create a whole bunch of code, commenting code for you. Now you just need to go back and double check it. If you like what you see, you can minimize that to get it out of the way to give you some more real estate. Come in here, modify the purpose of whatever the purpose is that you're doing. Okay, then you can minimize that to get it out of the way. And the same way with this method. So you see it does all of this for you. Add the description for the method and you're done. Minimize that. So now you just have to complete the assignment doing the input, process, and output.